Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for Taste. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make Dalgona coffee. It's also known as whipped coffee. It originates from South Korea, but it's super trendy in the US right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and just see how it tastes. So let's get started. Okay, so here you're going to need 2 tablespoons of Insta Coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar. After that, you're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Yep, and then you're going to use a hand mixer to mix the ingredients together until it gives you a whipped look. Now, this took me about 5 to 7 minutes just to get the color to change to that light brown color. Yep, see, as you can see, it's getting really lighter. We're going to mix and whip the ingredients until it is like a caramel brown butterscotch look. A good way to see that the Dalgona coffee is becoming a whipped texture is to look at the pattern left by the hand mixer. Once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our ice and our milk. You can use whatever milk you like. I use almond milk. Yep, just like so. Yep. Then you just take a spoon and you place that Dalgona coffee on top. Make sure you stir in the coffee before you drink it because I made that mistake and it was nasty. So there you go, Dalgona coffee.